welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be doing salmon bites. So let's get started, guys. So here we are, guys. The ingredients are 1.5 pound salmon, 1 teaspoon sazon, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon total seasoning, half teaspoon coarse salt, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 1 egg, hot sauce, fish sauce, 2 cups flour, and vegetable oil. So now I will take the fish for a rinse. I will add some white vinegar to the water. I will now cut my salmon into bite size. I will now add half teaspoon coarse salt, black pepper, combine, I will now set this aside while I get the rest of the ingredients. Now in a bowl I will add 1 tablespoon fish sauce, and a teaspoon red hot sauce, 1 egg. Whisk. In another bowl I will add 2 cups flour, sazon, paprika, black pepper, total seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. Combine. Now I will dip the salmon into the wash. Now we'll add to the flour. Make sure to shake the extra flour before adding to the hot oil. Heat your oil to 350. Let's give it a test. I will now go ahead and add to the oil. So I'm finished, guys, and I'm ready to eat. So please let me know, leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.